Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equation. So now I want to show you how to answer. We divide both sides by this one. Next, I will put number 1 go to the right. Now, we need to integral for the both sides. So, we can see that this one that is about the quotient rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b minus first derivative of b multiplied by h over b squared. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to a over b. So the integration of that one, that is about second derivative of y over first derivative of y. The integration of the s, and we have s, and I will put about c. Next, we need to do another integration. So we have the formula in here. So the integration of that one, we will have about Fn of the absolute value of dy over dx. The integration of s, we have s squared over 2. Now we have the constant number 1, that is about c number 1 with s, and we have c number 2, that is about the constant number 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.